Thought I'd have a little look at my compost. I was expecting it full of life and just bristling with stuff, but apart from, I think it's Robyn dancing on her own here. We actually got two guys here, two nematodes dancing. But apart from them, I don't think there's much life in this thing. I was expecting to see way much more. We do have the occasional nematode and obviously a lot of bacteria. There might be some, there's some fungal spores also, but protozoa, I can't see them at all. A bit disappointing because I was expecting to use this to spread it on the farmland, but that's a huge area and a lot of work and a lot of effort to get it out in the field, and I don't think there's enough life to spend that effort on it in this one. So I think I'll just have to go back to composting. I think the major problem here is I was using wood chips from the forest, from a pine, and that is very, that's another nematode. That is very coarse. It's very big chunks, and that may be one of the reasons that it didn't work out the way I wanted to. It may have dried up too much, even though I didn't think that was the case when I checked it, but may have been so anyway. I actually found a couple of nematodes with they were dead with mycelium around them, which is kind of interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna try to have a bigger enlargement and see if I can. No, he went away. I lost him. Well, that's not uncommon when you change the. I think I'm up to 1000 magnification now. It's hard to find a moving object with the 1000 magnification. That's a funny looking thing. I think it's cellulose. Ah, who knows? Huh. Anyway, I don't think I'm going to use this compost for other than inoculation. I'm going to leave it now and put up a kind of a Johnson Sioux style compost and leave it for a longer period of time and see what happens. So, better luck next time.